Welcome to the School of Education and Humanities, Manav Rachna University, where learning never ceases. At School of Education and Humanities, we ensure that humane and inclusive practitioners are groomed, who are also empowered with the EdTech skill set. With an overall diamond rating in QSI gauge, Manav Rachna University is a prime example of excellence. The school offers various teacher education programs such as B.Ed, B.Ed Special Education, Learning Disability, 4-year integrated B.A. B.Ed and B.Sc B.Ed, affiliated with NCTE and Rehabilitation Council of India. Manav Rachna ensures holistic development of its students by engaging them in curricular and co-curricular assignments. We also ensure their involvement in projects related to quality education and sustainable development.
Exposure to world-class facilities has really brought out the best in me. The resource room has all the required props for teaching children with special needs. The Performing Arts Lab is the place where skills at dance, drama and creative arts are all honed. Yoga practice sharpens the mind and the body both. The Curriculum Lab harbors all the teaching learning material created by the students, where we understand how to adapt our skills to the latest pedagogies.
Bloom's Day Care is a live laboratory for understanding the various stages of child development. At Manav Rachna, we are allowed options according to our choices, that is, choice-based credit system.
The School of Education and Humanities is ranked among the top teacher education institutions. The program structure is in line with the requirements of education sector. Our teachers are very knowledgeable, experienced and very approachable. The rigorous internships as suggested by NEP 2020 are already in place at Manav Rachna University, which provides us intensive real-life learning experiences. If education is your passion and deliverance your integrity, then be a part of Manav Rachna. Come and join us in the journey of endless learning and success.